Hey, been a while, but I'm back. And today I have a Commodore 128 that has a sick video chip. And I'm not really sure what's wrong with it, but I'm pretty sure I got it nailed down. Check it out. This is it in 128 mode. You probably can't see it, but it says what it's supposed to say, but just like black on black, right? Alright, now that's the 128 mode. Here it is in 64 mode. Ah, we have a screen. Okay, that's what it looks like in 64 mode, which is fine for 64 mode. But check it out. Cartridge, Radar Rat Race. Puts it in 64 mode automatically, right? Okay. There's still a problem. There's still a problem with the video. You can't see it all. You see what's going on with it, right? And this thing has 2 video chips, so let's see what's going on. F1. How am I supposed to see? Right? And of course, I get killed. Okay, anyway. That's the problem with this one right now. I gotta figure out what's going on and see if I can get this dog to leave me alone. Okay. Just so everybody knows, this is the dog. Alright. Thank you much, and please respond with helpful dog! Go! Helpful suggestions.